Go through that poop.
Oh, I don't want to be in there.
Too late. Is that reverse? That's a good place for a subwoofer. Jeez! 1993 Yamaha FZR-600. Smooth! LS1 powered Formula and the 96 LT1 powered Trans Am. You can definitely hear the difference. 2003 Ducati 999. Marchesini wheels. New Testastretta engine. Not bad for $1,000 bucks. Go ahead.
Ah, come on, okay.
The traction controls. We got it running. The RXV550 is alive. Car was about 70,000 and change, brand new. Big V8 turbo. K&N on the turbo. Mr. Turbo. 30-pound boost gauge. Highest I've seen is like 22 pounds. And it's alive. One of 270 built in this year in Arctic white. Racing seat covers. That adds about 30 horsepower. It's the hairy leg cam. And there it is. The world's dirtiest LS1. And there's the, what's the range on this thing?
I don't know, something more than like a foot.
This will be the best video ever. We're recording in 8K right now, 10,000p. Well, if I'd known it was going to take you this long, I would have started a video in, you know, maybe now.
Go like this, and we go up.
Wow.
360 views.
This is something you just don't get to see every day.